and I would like to congratulate every individual mine and the mining companies for their high standard performance in the area of their mine safety. Safety of a worker in the field of mine safety is non-negotiable and absolutely important. Yet, meeting the requirements for safety standards is not easy and call for achieving high standard professionals. Mines and mining companies have stood out there to record their safety. Today, the mineral sector has contributed 2.6% of our national GDP and provided direct employment to over 1 million people on a daily average basis and helping their lives of their families. In a recent decade, Indian mining industry has progressed appreciably in the productivity and the production through the intensive mechanization and adoption of the new technology. It is crucial that safety norms of our workers and the mining operations that keep place. In this regard, I am happy to say that self-regulations and as well as the concept of self-regulation, workers' participation in the safety management and the safety management system have come to be institutionalized in the mining industries. There has been steadily decline that fatality rate and this need to be recognized. That we are still some distance from our goal of a zero harm. In fact, safety issues and complexity have compounded with the increased scale of the mining operations and extension adverse to the geo-mining conditions. The Indian mining industry is standing at the threshold of a change. The balance between the greater productivity and profit margins and safety of a worker is vital. Human safety and life are always come first. They are always the priority. For this, we have to still move more strongly towards a culture of prevention from the culture of reaction. Safety protocols and sensitization from global best practices should be adopted in the every mine and mining enterprise. Response course by conducting a mock drills at the mines. Individual mine must go beyond the government norms and regulations and institutionalize such a change of a safety culture in their operations. The self-regulation by the mining industry is desirable and indeed preferable. I strongly believe that mining fraternity in our country is industry, government, academics and research is ready to take the multiple challenges and manage such a change responsibly. This will make the mining sector a secure workplace and a powerful driver for a growth and development of our country economy.